Hey guys, figured I'd do a short video on a little path I made for the Bolens tractor to drive on. It's only gonna be like a quick video, because I don't have much of a path. It only swings around. It does. I mean, it comes out right over here, so it's not very big. But I figured it's something. I figured I'd show you guys. Alright, here goes. I'm gonna turn the throttle up in a minute. Holy crap. Damn rock. What the hell? Keeps wanting to go up. There we go. Well, it's supposed to go down that way, but the tractor kind of had trouble going down that way because it was so steep going down, so I kind of never cleared this out. There we go. So now we're into this big open area. Oh, we got slippage. Didn't take her long. Hurry up. Even with the wheel weights. Come on, baby. I got the chains falling out. Aw. Son of a... Whoa! I got a little whiplash. Holy crap. She really caught on. Jesus. Here we go. Yeah, that's just a little path for now, and I figured I'd show you that, guys, and because I'm not going to be able to make it to the junkyard today, so I figured I'd show you that. I'll probably make it there tomorrow, though. Alrighty, guys, well, have a good day.